explorers. Welcome to MedVista, where we unravel the mysteries of the human body together. Today, we're diving into the microscopic world of sperm and their incredible journey. Buckle up, because this is one wild ride.
We're talking about the process of sperm production, maturation, and their grand exit. Think of it as a complex factory line with some pretty amazing stops along the way. And trust me, understanding this journey is key to understanding male reproductive health.
So, whether you're a curious mind or just brushing up on your biology, let's get this adventure started. Get ready to be amazed by the science behind creating life. Are you ready? Let's go.
Our first stop takes us to the testes, those two oval-shaped organs hanging out in the scrotum. Now these guys are the real MVPs of the sperm world. Why? Because they're the sperm factories.
Inside the testes, we find tiny, tightly coiled tubes called seminiferous tubules. These tubules are like assembly lines working around the clock to produce millions of sperm cells every single day. It's a process called spermatogenesis, and it's nothing short of remarkable.
Imagine this. Basic cells transforming into highly specialized sperm cells, each one with a single mission, to fertilize an egg. It's like a microscopic boot camp where these little swimmers are trained and prepped for the adventure of a lifetime. So, let's give it up for the testes, the ultimate sperm-producing powerhouses.
Next up, we're headed to the epididymis, a long, coiled tube attached to each testis. Think of it as a training camp for our newly formed sperm. They arrive here fresh from the testes, ready to hone their skills.
Here, the sperm spend about 2 weeks maturing and learning the ropes. They gain the ability to swim, a crucial skill for their upcoming journey. It's like a sperm school where they practice their swimming strokes and get in tip-top shape.
The epididymis also acts as a storage facility, keeping the sperm safe and sound until they're ready for action. It's like a cozy dormitory where they can rest up and build up their energy for the big game.
So, the epididymis plays a vital role in sperm development, ensuring they're strong, capable swimmers ready to take on the female reproductive tract. Onward to the next stage.
Section 4, the highway Vas Deferens. Now that our sperm are trained and ready, they need a way to travel.
That's where the Vas Deferens comes in, a muscular tube connecting the epididymis to the urethra. Picture it as a highway specifically designed for sperm transport.
During ejaculation, the Vas Deferens steps up its game, contracting rhythmically to propel the sperm forward. It's like a synchronized wave of muscle contractions pushing them along their way.
This journey through the Vas Deferens is no walk in the park. It's a crucial step that ensures the sperm reach their destination, the urethra.
From there, they'll be ready to embark on the final leg of their incredible journey. So let's give a shout out to the Vas Deferens, the sperm superhighway. Section 5, the fueling station, Seminal, Vesicles, and Prostate Gland. As our little swimmers zoom along the Vas Deferens, they need a boost of energy and some essential supplies.
That's where the seminal vesicles and prostate gland come in, the ultimate fueling stations. The seminal vesicles are two small glands that produce a sugary fluid rich in fructose. Think of it as a high-energy sports drink for sperm, providing them with the fuel they need to power through their journey.
Next up is the prostate gland, which contributes a milky fluid that helps to neutralize the acidity of the vagina, protecting the sperm and increasing their chances of survival. It's like adding a protective layer to their tiny swimsuits.
Together, the fluids from the seminal vesicles and prostate gland, along with the sperm, make up semen, the final product ready for ejaculation. It's a team effort, folks, and these glands play a vital role in ensuring the sperm are well nourished and protected on their mission.
Let's hear it for the pit crew of the sperm world. Section 6, the grand finale, Ejaculation and Beyond. And now for the moment we've all been waiting for, the grand finale. Ejaculation is the final act in the sperm's incredible journey, where semen is forcefully expelled from the urethra, a tube running through the penis.
Imagine a powerful surge propelling millions of sperm out of the male body and into the female reproductive tract. It's a moment of truth, the culmination of all their training and preparation.
From here, the sperm face their ultimate challenge, navigating the female reproductive system in search of an egg to fertilize. If successful, a single sperm will penetrate the egg, leading to fertilization and the beginning of a new life.
Understanding the sperm pathway is crucial for comprehending male fertility and reproductive health. It's a complex and fascinating process, from the production of sperm in the testes to their grand exit during ejaculation.
So, the next time you think about reproduction, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey of sperm and the intricate workings of the human body. It's a story of perseverance, teamwork, and the remarkable potential for life to begin.
That's all for today, folks. Tune in next time for another exciting adventure in the world of science.